Hi folks, in this video I'm going to be talking about 11 different ways to create a passive income through affiliate marketing, and this is based off something that I've been able to do in my own affiliate business, and here are some of the income reports that I have that showcase these things. And the idea of passive income is actually pretty simple. Passive income doesn't necessarily apply to affiliate marketing, but it can. Is the idea where you make an X amount of money every single week, every single month, and it's something that's stable, that's long-term, that you can rely on. And most people that get into this business, they never really reach these levels because they make a lot of mistakes along the way. And these 11 methods that I'm going to be talking to you about are kind of an insurance policy to make sure that your affiliate business gets to that passive income level, stays that way, and continues to grow. Now, the 11 methods that I want to show you are actually listed right here. And what I want to basically say is, below this video is a link to my website that'll take you through these 11 methods, and if you are interested in doing affiliate marketing, getting started with it, whatever the case is, I highly encourage you to do that because that's something I explained that I can help you with if you check that out. What I'm going to be doing is summarizing these 11 methods for you. Now, before I get into these methods, I just want to explain two very important things. Number one is, think of these 11 methods as a tree with different branches on it. The more branches that you have, the more stable your online business is, your affiliate business is. And in some cases, situations happen in the affiliate marketing business where these kinds of branches can get cut off. For example, I used to make 6 figures from Bing ads, and at one point they kind of shut down my account because of a bug that was on their end, and that just cut off that branch of an income stream, and I didn't have anything else to rely on back then, so I went from making 6 figures to 0. And I've had bad experiences like that all throughout my affiliate marketing career, and that's what kind of forced me to start thinking about this as, hey, I need to build more branches of my affiliate business so I can have a passive income coming in. So if situations like what happened with Bing happen again, I won't be destroyed over it. I can still rely on the other branches to make me money. And the second thing that I want to say is, you don't have to do all 11 of these methods. You can, the point is, I made this list to be subjective to you. So out of this list of 11, I basically do maybe 5 or 6 different things. For you, only one might be enough to create a passive income, or maybe 2 or 3, or so on and so forth. The point is, once you build experience and create that initial passive income with your affiliate business, you will be able to decide which of the other 11 methods will apply to you so you can continue to grow that business and continue to ensure that that passive income continues to come in. So let me go over it real quick with you. The first thing that I want you to understand is, out of these 11 methods, these two, the first 2, are the most important for 99% of affiliates. Most people who get into this business, into affiliate marketing, they have very little or no money, or they have no experience. So these 2 methods are the most important to start with. Now, this first method is create an affiliate niche blog on one topic, and the second one is create a YouTube channel on the same affiliate niche as your blog. It's very inexpensive and free in some cases. It helps you build that initial experience to create that passive income. There's no limit to how much money you can make through these 2 options. And fourth is, it's just a great building block to go off because it's going to give you that experience, it's going to give you that potential income, and if it doesn't work out, you don't lose money. Most people that get into affiliate marketing, they look for the quick shortcuts and so on and so forth, and most of the time those shortcuts involve putting a lot of money and a lot of gamble and a lot of risk into it, and most of the time that fails, and I don't want you to be in that situation. So after these 2 methods, everything else that I'm showing you is following those 2 methods. So in other words, start with these 2 methods and move on from there. So once you have these 2 things down, the third option is sell high-ticket affiliate products. The fourth one is sell recurring affiliate commission products. Create an email list as number 5. Try pay-per-click networks as number 6. Number 7 is make your own affiliate product or create your own affiliate program. 8 is make a new site and grow that using the same ways that you grew your first site. Number 9 is hire writers to grow your existing blog. 10 is offer consultations in affiliate marketing and others seeking to get involved in it. And number 11 is retargeting. Now again, the details of all of these methods and the potential of those methods to create a passive income is explained in the video, in the link below this video, but I just want to give you a personal example using myself. So I had up and down cycles as I was in affiliate marketing before I started creating a passive income out of it, where I had paid ad campaigns which were shut down again and again after I was making good sales results with it. I used to write articles on article directories like 15 years ago when I first got started with this, and then they were shut down by Google. Or I had a site that was doing really well in traffic, and then some kind of Google update came along and kind of destroyed my traffic, cut it down by 50%. like I said before, think of this as a branch, as branches on a tree. So what I started doing was I started my YouTube channel, I started a blog on a niche topic that I was very passionate about, and from there I started doing things like offering coaching. I started doing things like, let me go through that list, I started making a new site. I basically started applying one or more of the 11 methods that I was showing you to build that passive income. And today I'm doing that pretty well, and I continue to do that, and I continue to grow it. And I really want you to take a look at these 11 methods with an open mind, and remember that you don't have to do all 11. They're very flexible, and you can choose which ones work for you, but start with the blog and the YouTube channel and really try to build your initial affiliate business off those two things on a niche topic that you're very, very passionate about. And again, I help you do that if you click on the link below this video. If you're interested in getting started with that, I explain how I coach people through these things. So if you're interested, check that out. If not, thanks for watching this video. And if you have any questions, you're welcome to leave your comments or questions below it. So thanks a lot for watching again, and have a great one.